Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to reprint a check that you've already printed and probably printed incorrectly. Okay, so right now I just printed this check. You can see right now that I have the option to post printed check. Okay, that would take care of it and I would be done. But in this case, or a case where you messed up, okay, depending on whether this check stock is still available, that check number, if you print it on like regular paper and this check or this check number is still available, then you can leave it. Okay, so I would just go in here and you're going to select print. You're going to take out the check number and you're going to save and close. Okay, so that makes it ready to print again. And I'm just going to make sure to pick the right check number because it's advancing to the next one, right? And then now I'm allowed to reprint that same check. So I'm going to go in through here one more time. Again, you're going to have to know your check form. If you haven't or you don't know your check form, you can watch that video or the extended. And if you don't know what your check form is and would like a copy of the PDF with all the check forms, you can leave your request in the comments below, or you can send an email to info@mareevuitton.com, and I'd be happy to share that PDF with you with all the check forms, okay? If you have any questions on what I've said, let me know. Thank you.